Let me create a constructor. How to create this one? You should remember public application context. What is application context content? Database context options. Okay, sir, I am not remembering. Then go for this one. Database uh, I database. Where is my constructor? Database context option. See, okay, the first one. It is a read-only, private read-only property. If a parent class items are private read-only, child class item wants to can able to consume this private read-only of the parent class. I have the two classes. Parent class option is a private read-only, private access modifier. Can child class able to access this property?
No, it is not accessible.
Not accessing. That is a straightforward a class rule. Private members are private for it. Then how to pass from child to parent?
Constructor.
Through constructor chaining.
Through constructor. So how to access the parent class constructor by using a base. Okay, this is also one of the question student is attended. They're asking about, sir, what is the base? I told like base is the base class constructor. I need to be pass these options to a parent class. That is correct, sir. Yes, correct. But interviewer are expecting, can you try something else, sir? What can I try? So the answer is pass your database. In the parent class. See, the parent class database context is the parent class. Okay, you're expecting the database DbContext options. These are private. This is a private property. Private property can't able to access from the parent to child. That is the reason you are using the base. That is the point you need to be mentioned. Remember. So interview will come from which point we don't know, but we should be prepare the things, get it ready. Okay. My constructor is ready. Yes, constructor is ready. Next, what I need to do? I want to create, just now I created a POCO class, right? POCO class reference need to be added in the database context to connect my database. How to add?
DbSets.
So here, correct. Create a prop reference of your database table. Okay. Public DbSet of which table? Product table. That is my POCO class product. Products. PRODUCTS products. Okay. Here always singular. Table name always singular. The property should be like a plural because it is going to be whole multiple. Is that my class is ready? No, I need to be map. This is my POCO class, right? I need to be map to database product table. How to map? Now you need to be override one of the methods. Or which methods are? On model creating. Where is that one? DbContext on model creating. This is our virtual class. You need to be override this one. Nothing. This is open source, right? If you press F12, everything you can see it. Okay. Protected. Override. Protected override. What is the data type? Void on model creating model builder is there. Okay. Model build model builder dot entity. What is my entity? Now I'm mapping product dot to table. What is my table name? model builder dot entity is a method which is not as a given.
It is correct. It is correct. Here you can write the products to table under two table.
Products only.
No, here not here. Then two
Here,
table.
okay.
Yeah. Basically, the table name will generate like with the name of these two tables.
Correct. Here and there it is an issue is why it is not going. I'm seeing. First time added is correct only. Introduce.
Don't put the
Okay, leave it. Let me
this
complete that. More. Maybe it is taking the slow, na? Not sure. Model builder. Is it a model builder?
just don't put the question in last semicolon and enter the add the other properties.
Okay, correct.
I think connection
Just to
string.
understand clearly, I'm adding. Maybe somewhere system is slow. Yeah. Event intelligence.
I think
Map key. What is my key?
connection string database like program.cs builder.service configurations.
On model creating protected override on model creating. Always it will take a model builder dot entity. Show potential fixes. What will it say?
I think
Connection string, I think program.cs.
That we can give. Connection string, we will set it. First time setting this protect. Right? Is
so brackets are required here, I would say.
Okay. This braces I forgot. Okay. Thank you. Forget to add the braces. Okay. What was the key? You can say key tends to key dot ID. ID is my primary key. Okay. Already have created that ID as a primary. Okay. Done. Yes. Now I can say base dot on model creating. So I need to process this model builder. So now this product Pogo class is mapped to this product table. Okay, done. So what is my next step? Let me go to the repository application DB. Sorry. So API to the service to the repository to the DbContext. DbContext is done in the inside of the repository. Now I need to be implement a services. My database is ready. Yes, we'll test it. Let me go to the PPT. DbContext is ready. Yes. Okay. So what is the role of the DbContext? So open the database connection, execute your SQL queries, convert database table rows to your C# object, track entity changes, generate SQL insert, update, delete, operation, save change. Next. DbContext is ready. Yes. Repository is ready. Repository DbContext is ready. Now we need to build the service. Okay. So DbContext is done. Repository done. So if I explain this one, at the end you may get a confident I can create it, but don't be confident. Why, sir? Sir, you are creating the API and showing all the codes means yes, this is one of the type we are having. For example, out of 10 different types, this is only one type I'm showing you. Okay. So we have so many different types. So those different types we'll see in the regular sessions. How to have, we'll take the different type of systems we are going to be design it. So one of the demo, as I told you, I shown you the GraphQL. Okay, so how we can read it. So let me go next. Okay, let me focusing on this business logic. Now IOC container will become, dependency injection will become, DIP will become. Okay.